Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a square in Inkscape. There is one really simple method that you need to know if you are projecting graphics in Inkscape. Of course, I will share this method with you today. Okay, so if you want to create a new square, you need to go to the left panel tool, and here we have a rectangle tool. It is the tool that allows you to create rectangles and squares. What you need to do is click on this option, and now you can easily create a rectangle. If you want to change it to square, you need to move cursor to the upper side, and here you can change width of rectangle, and here you can change height of rectangle. So of course, if you need to draw a square, you need to type here the same values. So I type 50 from my keyboard and I press enter, and here I will type the same value, so I type here 50 and I press enter. Like you see, we have successfully made a square. Of course, you can change color of this square by clicking somewhere here, and you can make any other actions, depends of the effect that you want to achieve. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to make a square in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.